So today we're doing the external walls and we've chosen Earthwool Glasswool for the product. Standard installation in Auckland would be a 2.2, but for you today we're installing an R2.6, which is towards the upper end of performance.
So that's just like a measurement of how much insulation power it has.
R basically stands for resistance, so the higher that number the better resistance, keeps the heat in. The beauty of it too is that we're also going to be able to use the 2.6 for your acoustic walls.
In terms of the properties of what this is made of, how does that differ from your old fiberglass stuff that is dusty and, you know, gets in your skin and all that kind of stuff?
Yeah, so I mean most people would remember the old days, and really we only had one supplier or manufacturer in New Zealand, and you're limited for choice, and back then there wasn't as much emphasis on the product. Fast forward to current times and we've got, you know, a few different manufacturers in New Zealand. You'll see this stuff is brown. The reason it's brown is it's got an organic binder, so it doesn't use formaldehyde for its binding. One of the other great things about it is it's nice to install. So, you know, you see the guys aren't there scratching away like you used to, and despite the fact they're wearing gloves, you don't get shards of glass in your hands like you used to. Great for professionals, but always pretty, also quite friendly for the DIY guys too.